In bulk terminals, mines, and cement factories, where environments are filled with dust, camera lenses are prone to accumulating dust, leading to blurred video images that hinder operations. Regular manual cleaning is not only costly, but also poses significant risks. Many manufacturers use wipers to clean the camera lenses, which presents several issues. 1. Wipers require water for operation. 2. Dry wiping can scratch the lens. 3. Wiper movement can disrupt the visual clarity. 4. Wipers are prone to damage. Broad Vision has developed a new wine-powered self-cleaning camera that can remove dust and water from the lens in just 1 second. The fan can be controlled via NVR or a customizable system settings, allowing for the automatic activation and deactivation based on the environmental conditions. The advantages of this system include no need for water, no interference with the camera's visual performance. The fan has a long lifespan of 500 hours, with daily cleaning sessions of 10 seconds. This totals about 1 hour per year, potentially extending its lifespan to nearly 500 years.